Pure Zym is a soil improver based on natural enzymes. It accelerates the breakdown of dead plant material so that this releases additional nutrients that stimulate the soil life. By using Pure Zym, you increase the oxygen absorption capacity of your substrate and help protect your plants against diseases. With Pure Zym, you also protect your plants against the buildup of harmful salts. Additionally, it ensures a rapid and efficient intake of nutrition for strong growth and flowering. You use Pure Zym in combination with a basic nutrient. First, shake the bottle well. Then add 10 milliliters of Pure Zym to 10 liters of water. Use Pure Zym each time you water your plants during their entire cultivation period. Like all our universal products, Pure Zym can be combined with any substrate and basic nutrient. Plagron, support your growth. #PassItOn. Got any questions? Make sure to check out our social media channels.